Mosquito.
Sort by size.
Small ne. Size niya, size. Big. Sa big pool. Big pool ah. Big pool. Go. Ay, sa small pool. Sa small pool ah. Go, Pastor. Sa small pool siya. Oh, ayan oh. Go. Yay! Good job, bunso ko. Go. Next level. Arrange by size. Yeah, good job, guys. Good job, nice. Sa size niya. One more. Oh, 2 more pa pala. Okay lang. Good job! Nice one! Yay! Next level ulit. Good job. Oh.
Wow! Who's ready to pop them with me?
Pop daw, pop. May. Go, Pastor. Pop. Oh. All. Good job. Nice one. Touch letter Z. Good job. Babali. Touch. Z. Oh, na good job. Z lang. Good job.
Z, no.
Z lang.
No, letter Z. Yay! Ayun pa yun.
Dami siya nakuha na.
Ayun.
Good job.
Ayun.
Z.
Z only. Yan. Z.
Yeah, good job. Nice. Good job pa, bunso ko ah. Oh, next level na. Go. Oh, same. Yeah, good job. Nice. Wow, perfect. Good job ba si bunso ah. Talino ah. Okay. Go. Good job oh. Good job daw oh. Nice. Ano na? Papet. Bye-bye. Bye-bye daw. Next level.
Count and match.
Good job. Nice. Yay! Bili, meron pa. Di pa tayo. No. No na nga. Sa kabila, sa blue mo lagay. Bili na. Galingan mo. Gusto naman marinig ng no. Pastor. Ay, no.
Count and match.
Bili na. Papa na. Oh. Dito. Good job! Yay! Yay! Oh. Meron pa. No. Bili na. Count na. Ito 101. Ay, good job. Good job. Yeah! Star naman, star. Damo star yan. 3 star. How many star this one? 1? Oh, put the 1. Yeah! Good job! Good job! Flower pala yung flower. Wow! Good job! Oh, balloons. Count the balloons. 2. Ay. Yan. 2. Good job! Ay, 3. Ay, 3 yan. 3. Lagay mo sa 3 yan. Good job! Color red. Yeah, good job! Yeah! Wow, good job! Oh, leaves. Ay, hindi yan dyan. Bili.
Count and match.
Naring ito.
I
Na. Good job ah. Bili na. Tapusin mo.
count and match.
Ay, 2. Asan yan 2? 2 flower. Yeah. Ay. Purple. Good job. Yay. Good job. Shapes. No. Shapes mo. Star. Silang star. A heart. Oh. Yan. Ay. Good job. Star. Good job. Ay. Not square. This one. Other one. Bili. Yan. Good job. Yay. Next level. Alam mo.
Peekaboo.
Solve the puzzle.
Oh, puzzle daw.
Fantastic.
Bali. Touch.
Solve the puzzle.
Touch mo yan. Okay. Oh. Wow! Good job! Ang galing ni Bunso. Galing Kaya niya. Galing ni Bunso ko Yan na. Again. Eat na sila. Pie.
And their favorite.
Yan ano pa kaya niya? Ano po niya? Wow! Good job! Ito, ano po niya? Give mo yung food niya. Bili. Ito, donut, food niya, Bigyan mo yung donut sa kanya. Give mo donut. Wow! Good job! Yung cake. Bigyan mo yung cake sa kanya. Give mo yung cake sa kanya. Give mo yung cake. Now, dito. No! Hindi siya kakain ng... Ito nga, cake niya, cake, Ay! Hindi yan kakain ng... Yan! Wow! Good job! Ang galing ni Bunso, Okay.
Let's have some fun. Jump.
Jump si Bunso, yan na. Okay. Color. Copy mo yan, copy mo. Ito yung mga color, Bili, lagay mo yan, Saan yan? Wrong na. Yellow. Tingin ka dyan. Ay, wala na. Hindi na nagano. Oh, mamaya na lang. Bye-bye.